Good afternoon. The weather is looking particularly stormy to bring this weekend to a close across England and Wales. Our storm has a name, that is Freya, and it's set to bring widespread gales to England and Wales in the coming hours. You can see on the satellite picture a kind of curl of cloud just forming here as the low pressure centre is deepening. It's currently just running across Southern Ireland and it's going to push its way into the Irish Sea. The winds will continue to strengthen now and become very gusty for the southwest of England and Wales on into the early evening, and we'll also see bands of rain pushing their way across England and Wales too. Northern Ireland, aside from eastern counties, staying largely dry. The showers now thinning for Scotland and the wind easing here as yesterday's low pulls away to the north. But it's the winds in association with Freya that we're concerned with for the rest of today, gusting up to 70 miles per hour, maybe a little higher around some of the Irish sea coasts, 50 to 60 widely inland across the southwest, Wales, the Midlands and northern England until we get into Monday morning, and our low will then pull out into the North Sea. So fortunately, the worst of the stormy weather out of the way before the Monday morning rush hour. A little trailing weather front, though, could bring some heavy rain into southernmost counties of England for first thing on Monday, maybe even a little bit thundery here. And still on the rear edge of Freya, it's going to be quite a windy story across the northeast of England through Monday. But the skies should brighten quite nicely as the low pulls away. Into the west, though, some pretty potent showers arriving through the day, maybe the odd one, even a little thundery, and a chillier feel. Temperatures typically in single figures. Overnight Monday into Tuesday, we keep an area of low pressure to the north of the UK, and that will continue to feed in some bands of showers. If anything, the showers organising themselves into more of a longer spell of rain for parts of Northern Ireland, Northern England and southern Scotland on Tuesday, maybe even some snow for higher ground. And then into the southwest by the end of the day, some thicker cloud and outbreaks of rain ahead of our next big area of low pressure. Wednesday looks like it will be the wettest and windiest day across the UK of the week ahead. As you can see, the low edging its way north. Some uncertainty around this area of low pressure's position at the moment, but it looks like all areas will get some rain at some stage. Another windy day. And yes, that's white on the chart there behind me. It does also look like it could be wintry across the higher ground of Scotland. Certainly chillier here, highs of 6 or 7, 13 or 14 possible further south. Now that low is off in to the North Sea for Thursday, but on the rear edge of it, we are left with a northwesterly or northerly wind, I should say, and that is going to feel chilly. We'll also drag in quite a few showers, and again, some of them could be wintry, even into parts of northern England. In the sunshine in the south, we'll just about reach double figures. A much chillier story, though, for the likes of Scotland, especially with the wind chill. Overnight Thursday into Friday, our isobars open up, our winds fall light and our skies clear. Thursday night, our chilliest of the week ahead. Potentially a frosty start to Friday, but Friday looks like it will be the driest day with some decent sunshine for almost all areas. Cloud thickening in the west, though, as the day goes on. A few showers for Scotland. Still quite chilly to the north. Further south, highs around average 11 or 12 degrees. So here's your week ahead. It's looking pretty unsettled in terms of the widest spell of wet and windy weather. Wednesday looks like that will be the day for that. A chillier feel, and look out for some frosty nights returning by the end of this week.